Hi everyone, I'm Miss Katie from Rockland Public Library, and this month at the library we're giving out rhythm kits that have shaky eggs in them and rhythm scarves. And if you can't come in to get a rhythm scarf, you can also use a washcloth or a bib or even a mask, or just wiggle your hands around to sing these songs. But here's a song that you can use with a rhythm scarf. And it teaches some opposites, and we'll start with up and down. So can you shake your hands up high? I know you can't see if I shake my hands really high, but try to even do all the way up as far as you can do them. Shake them way above your head. Here we go. The scarf goes up and down. The scarf goes up and down. Hi ho, the derry-o. The scarf goes up and down. And like I said, when you do that, do it nice and high, up and down, and hit the ground, up and down. And if you have bigger kids, they can even stretch really high and touch the ground. And so stand up and sit down over and over again. And it's a good way to use up some energy too. So let's try a round and round for this one. The scarf goes round and round. The scarf goes round and round. Hi ho, the derry-o. The scarf goes round and round. Good job. And as you can see, is when I'm shaking too, you can even give one way and then shake the other way and see if kids can shake in one direction and then do a change. And the last one is in and out. So we're gonna do in near our bodies and then out. And for the last one, you can even give it a toss. So it goes like this. The scarves go in and out. The scarves go in and out. Hi ho, the derry-o. The scarves go in and out. Good job. So this is a fun one for being able to wiggle all around. It's a good energy user. So you can have the kids stretch up high, rub their scarf on the ground, have them even dance in a circle, or they can spin while we're doing round and round. And then in and out, you're going to be putting it near their body and farther away from their body, and they can even do a toss at the end. So it's a good way to get our arms and our legs moving and do a little singing together. I hope you had a good time learning this new song, and let me know if you want to learn any other songs with any other topics. I hope you have a wonderful day filled with music, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.